In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your LinkedIn profile link. Whether you're looking to share your professional background with potential employers, colleagues, or your network, knowing how to easily grab your LinkedIn URL is a valuable skill. We're going to walk through the process on both desktop and mobile, ensuring that you can master this task no matter where you are. Let's start with the desktop version. First, you'll need to navigate to your LinkedIn profile page. Begin by looking at the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see your profile picture. Click on this image and from the drop-down menu, select View Profile. This will bring you to your fully fleshed out LinkedIn profile. Typically, this view showcases all the professional details you've worked hard to curate. Once you're on your profile page, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. Here, you'll find a section called Edit Public Profile and URL. It's usually easy to spot, and finding this section is key to accessing your link. Click on that option and you'll see your current public profile URL prominently displayed. This URL is your direct link to your professional presence on LinkedIn. Copying the URL is straightforward. Simply highlight the link with your mouse. Once it's highlighted, right-click to reveal the options menu and choose Copy. Now, your LinkedIn profile URL is saved to your clipboard, ready to be pasted into an email, a document, or a chat message to share with whoever might need it. Next, let's cover how to copy your profile URL using the LinkedIn mobile app, which is equally simple. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your mobile device and ensure you're logged into your account. From here, navigate to your profile page. This can usually be accessed by tapping your profile picture or by selecting the Me option on the bottom navigation bar. Once on your profile, look for the Share option. Depending on the version of the app and your device, this might be represented by an arrow or the word Share. Tap this option and you'll be given several choices for how to share your profile. One of these choices will allow you to copy the profile link directly. Select this option and you now have your LinkedIn profile URL copied to your device's clipboard. Whichever method you choose, you're now equipped with the ability to share your professional profile quickly and easily, whether you're networking, applying for jobs, or simply wanting to maintain connections. Knowing how to copy and share your LinkedIn profile link is a useful tool in today's digital age. Make sure to keep your LinkedIn profile updated so anyone with your link can view your most recent accomplishments and skills. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.